Hello, everyone, and thank you for all of you who said, hey, I want to have some more questions to practice before the checkpoint. So here's a quick video on how you can do that using Copilot. I do want to mention a couple things. Obviously, you can use a different platform or AI if you like. I'm partial to Flexi on ck12.org. Also, Khan Academy has Conmigo as well. So whatever is your favorite, but this is for Copilot. Our high school, or excuse me, our division has decided to use Copilot for the students. So let's go through it quickly. The best way I've noticed with Copilot, it likes images. It seems like it likes images, but you can type as well. But we're going to show you how to do an image. So let's say you did this question, you didn't get it right. Here's the answer for it. You worked through it. You need some more practice. So you go, hey, I want to have more practice with this. What do? Hit print screen, and then you're going to cut out the image of the question. Then for us, we're going to go to Copilot, which we can do right on the side. And I'm going to type in and then upload the image. You need to go wherever your screenshots are. I'm already in the right spot. Okay, now let's send it. And there you go. You have another practice question for you to work on. Obviously, you can also just type in certain, let's say for this one, let's just type this one in. And obviously, you can cut and paste as well. Use the caret, which is Shift 6 to get your squared term or your cube term. And make another question similar to this. Here's a practice question, x squared minus 49. So you have another one. Okay, do as many as you want. I just did one question. You could ask them to do, you can ask the AI to give you 3 questions or 5 questions. So please, 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 for those of you who are having their big exam tomorrow, you know I've given you 2 checkpoints. Go through all those questions on this one, which is 7-2 and 7-1. Check all the ones that you understand, those that you don't. Use this method to get some more questions. All right. Be blessed, and you can do this. Bye.